A quick video demonstrating how we can put audio into our games. There's a number of ways of doing this. The easiest ways for us is I can host all the audio. So what we can do is if we have a passage here and we want some audio, and we have a story where there is a radio and we push play. We can make play something that's clickable here. So we can do a few things here. I'm going to use a song I already have uploaded that's used for another story. So I'm going to put this source code in here. And there's a few things I just want to explain about this. The first is this first part, click listen. We don't have to have, but let's say I wanted the players to push the button, and I would change here click play, which will make, in this case, the music wouldn't come on automatically. The player would push play. If we didn't want that, we could do an autoplay, and we can just get rid of that, and we can have audio. We'd want to take the text box out of there here, because this these brackets here that I just removed, now this will just play as part of the passage. But if I wanted to do the click play part, I can include those, and I can put back my click play here. So either start with the greater than or less than here for audio autoplay, or if you're going to do a click play, now the word that goes after click would be the word that you're using. So if I said here push on, then I would have to change click to on. The word in quotations mark is the word that is then going to be the link in this, and then what's going to happen in this case is going to be the audio play. So the key part for us, we have the autoplay here. You can take out autoplay. That's another part that can be either removed or added back in. I just have it there to show you we can do that, but we're using the click on here. The key part here is this source SRC. This is going to be the audio, letting it know that it's audio. And then where is it pulling that audio from? So in this case, what I want you to do is copy, when you pull audio, is this HTTPS and colon double backslash 306 data.criticalplay.net/s24. That's where I'm going to be hosting all of the music. So this is easier. I can have all the files. You want to send me all your files for music so I can upload them to where I'm hosting it. So you can just copy and paste this part right there, right? That's calling to that specific directory where I'm going to have it. So make sure you include that here in the quotation marks. And then afterwards, what you'll do is you'll put a backslash right there after the 24, and then you'll include how your file is saved. So in this case, the file is called little Armalite clip.mp3. MP3 is what we want to use generally. So whatever your song is called, make sure it exactly aligns with how you've saved it, because that's how I'm going to upload it. That's what it's going to make the call to. So do that. Send me your file, and then put all this, copy and paste this data in there, and then put your song in there. And then once I upload the song to my hosting site, it'll be able to work and it'll be able to play. And then finish it just how I finished it here. You can just copy this and then just change the data as you need. So if I was going to then play this, let's go to build here and play, and it opens up and we can see we have on here, and you may or may not be able to hear the music, but the music is playing. So I could take off the on button or not. Let's turn that down for now, but it'll play the whole song all the way through. All right, I'll close that so we don't have to hear it. You can see this is just where I'm hosting the songs, and I'll host images also, but this is just for audio for us. So the two parts, whether you want to make it clickable, whether you want it to play automatically. If it's on autoplay without a click, it'll just come on when the passage comes. If you don't want it to autoplay, you would just want this part here starting with source, space, source. There is a space here, you can't see it, but if I do that, it goes to the next line, and then copy and paste all this data here. So that's a real quick video if you're including audio. There is one about including images. I went over that basically in class, but I might make another one there. I can host those images also if you send them to me, and we will use the same hosting site here. So you just have to copy HTTPS critical play, put the name of your image, a JPEG or something similar, and you can send it to me and I can host it. So if you do that, it'll be able to show up in your game. So that's all I want to do for today. If you have any questions, just let me know.